How to return your Shopee order from start to finish. First step is to open the app. To click me. I'm going to look for it to receive. Look for the item you want to return and refund. Return refund button here. Click that. Select I want to return my items. To search a reason, I would do receive the wrong product. Confirm. You're going to take a picture of the product here. For taking the picture, you're going to use picture, and then you're going to put a description about your refund. I would put need a bigger size, rash guard is tight. To click submit. Once you're done, you're going to select a shipping option. I would do drop off because it's free, and that should be it. You should be good to go. Download the return stub here. You will present this to J&T and they will handle the rest. Alright, let's go.
Yes, sir.
Mag-return po ako. Yes po.
Wala na sa akin, no?
Hello? Gusto bigyan
Paano
mo
na ako?
bigyan ng factor.
Oo. Baka ganun yung ano ni Lord. Wala ba na i-cancel na yung nag-to? Mamaya na po.
Thank you.
Sunod-sunod ba yan?
Di ba kami nga lang na dito na makalagin na naman ngayon eh.
Hello?
Ano pa lang, 7:30 pa lang, nandito na kami. Tumipot lang naman ngayon yung papel eh.
Uy, hindi tayo kakasama mo. Wala na naman.
Kaya naman, wala na naman ito eh. Mamay na, nakabukas na yan.
Wala na naman.
Copy.
And you should get a notification here saying refund is approved. That means the return was successful. And if you go to your wallet and navigate to the history, you will see there refund confirmed. And that is how you refund your Shopee purchase.